and welcome to Pabbly Chat Flow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your government popcorn business. So as the owner of a popcorn business, I receive a lot of inquiries on my WhatsApp number. So now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot to instantly reply to these queries using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So to learn more about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot that can automatically answer customer queries, take orders and share product details, perfect for businesses like my gourmet popcorn shop, and it's a great way to save time and serve more customers with less effort. Alright, so as someone who runs a gourmet popcorn business, I often get messages from customers asking about flavors, pricing, delivery options, and how to place an order. So replying to each message manually takes a lot of time, especially during busy hours. So by building a WhatsApp chatbot, I can answer common questions automatically, take orders, share product details, and even send offers, all without needing to respond personally every time. So this makes my business available 24/7, improves customer experience, and helps me manage more orders with less effort. So I can focus growing on my brand and serving delicious popcorn. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the chatbot that I've created for my business using Pabbly Chat Flow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this WhatsApp chatbot that I have already created by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp number. Alright, so now here to send the WhatsApp message, let me take you to my WhatsApp account. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected in my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So here let's suppose that I'm a customer and I'm going to drop a message to this WhatsApp chat as hello. And here you can see it has sent me a message that says, hi there, welcome to Pop and Crunch, your gourmet popcorn heaven. We offer handcrafted delicious popcorn and unique flavors for every craving. Ready to explore? How can we help you today? So it says browse flavors, gift packs and place orders. So let's select gift packs and it says perfect for parties and gifting, movie night combo, celebration box or mini month simpler. So I'm going to click on this buy gift pack. And it says great choice, please select a gift pack you would like to order, movie night combo price, celebration box price and mini month simpler price. So let's select celebration box. Alright, so here you can see it says this message can't be shown on WhatsApp web. Open WhatsApp on your phone to view. So here I've attached a screenshot where you can see the message that I've received on my phone. And now from here to send the location, I'm going to click on the send location button given over here. And here you can see as soon as I've sent a location from my phone on this WhatsApp chat, then automatically we have received the message as thank you, your order has been received. We will confirm your delivery shortly. Stay crunchy. And then we have received the option for back to menu. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by simply using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chat Flow. Alright, so here to access the Pabbly Chat Flow you have to search pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers. And then it will direct you to the Pabbly Chat Flow's home page. And here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's home page, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow, and now here to access Pabbly Chat Flow, I'm going to click on this access now. Alright, so here on the screen you can see Pabbly Chat Flow's dashboard, and here you all might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chat Flow. So let me give a brief about it. So Pabbly Chat Flow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions and guide them to make actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chat Flow to save time, improve customer support and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable and helps businesses provide quick responses which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. Alright, so this was all about Pabbly Chat Flow, and here I've already set up my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So here if you wish to learn step by step that how you can set up your Pabbly Chat Flow account, then you can check out the video attached over here on this dashboard. And also if you want to learn about some amazing features that Pabbly Chat Flow offers that are given in the left side bar, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each feature on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so now here let me give a brief about each feature over here. So here you can see the first feature, that is inbox. So here you can use this particular feature to see the entire WhatsApp chats of your number, and then here you can see the contacts feature. So here in this particular feature you can add the contacts or you can manage the contacts list over here. And then let's move to the team queues. So here in this team queues feature, you can see the charts assigned to the team members, and also you can see the status of the charts. And then here for the templates feature, you can use this feature to create message templates for your WhatsApp chats. And then here comes broadcast. So here you can use this particular feature to send and create the broadcast messages for your customers. And then it comes flow. So here you can use this particular feature to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your business. And then it comes settings. So here under settings you can see a lot of features available over here. So you can use these features as well in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. And to learn more about these features in detail, you can check out the video dedicated to specific feature. Alright, and lastly it comes with a get help option over here. Alright, so this was all about the features of Pabbly Chat Flow. And now here to create the WhatsApp chatbot for our business, I'm going to access a feature of Pabbly Chat Flow, that is flows given in the left side bar. Alright, so now here in this flow builder you can see all the flows that I've created for my business till now. And now here we are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot from scratch, and for that I'm going to add a new flow over here by clicking on this add a flow button given over here in the top right corner. And now here firstly I'm going to give a name to my flow, that is Gourmet Popcorn Business. And now after giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chat bot. Alright, so here you can see we have received the options such as keywords, regex and choose template to set up our trigger for the WhatsApp chat bot. So here if you wish to trigger the WhatsApp chat bot through a message template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or if you wish to add the keywords or regex, then you can do it as per your need. So here we will choose trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we will add keywords like hey, hello, hi. So these are some basic keywords, and here I'm going to type the keyword first and then I'm going to press the enter to make it a valid keyword. Alright, so now I'm going to add both of the keywords as well. And now whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But people type messages in different ways. One person might say, tell me about the popcorns available, while another might write, I want to buy a popcorn pack. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that means regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. And then the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. So once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So here you need to enter the regex to match the substring trigger, and here you need to enable this toggle for each sensitive regex only. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable this toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so now here let's set up our WhatsApp chatbot further for these keywords. So I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, hi there, welcome to Pop and Crunch, your gourmet popcorn heaven. We offer handcrafted delicious popcorn and unique flavors for every craving. Ready to explore? How can we help you today? So this is a hello message that I've entered, and now I'm going to add quick reply buttons with this message to continue my WhatsApp chat bot. Alright, so I'm going to add the text as browse flavors, gift packs and place order. Alright, so here I've added 3 quick replies button, and now I'm going to set up this WhatsApp chat bot further for these quick replies buttons as well. Alright, so let's start with browse flavors. So I'm going to add a text box over here, and here for the text box I'm going to add the text as our best selling flavors. Here are the flavors that are caramel crunch, spicy cheese burst and classic butter salt. And now after adding the bestseller flavors, I'm going to add quick replies button as order now and back to menu. Alright, so here you can see I've added 2 quick replies button. And then here before moving forward with these quick replies button, I'm going to set up the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick replies button as well. So let's move to the gift pack. So I'm going to add a text box over here, and then I'm going to add the text as perfect for parties and gifting, and here I've added my combo packs, and then I'm going to add quick replies buttons as well, where I'm going to add the text as buy gift pack or back to menu. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. And now here let's move to another quick reply button, that is place order. So I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as Let's get your popcorn ready. Choose pack size small, medium, large. And now I'm going to add quick replies button for these sizes as well. And now after adding the quick replies button for these sizes, I want that whenever my customer is going to select any of the specific size, my chatbot should ask for the location of the customer. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this actions, and from here I'm going to select the action of ask a location. So I'm going to add a box over here, and here in this location message box, I'm going to add the message as please share your delivery location. And now here after this question message, it is asking me to select the custom fields. So it says select longitude contact custom field, and here I need to select the latitude contact custom. So here I've already created the custom fields, and here if you wish to learn more about that what are these contact custom fields, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature on our YouTube channel. Alright, so here I'm going to select the fields. And now after selecting the fields, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect all these quick replies button to this location message. Alright, and now after building a connection between these quick replies button and this message box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text box over here for the response of this location box. So once my customer is going to send the location, I want to send the message as thank you, your order has been received, we will confirm your delivery shortly, stay crunchy. So this is the thank you message, and then I'm going to add a quick reply button over here that says back to menu. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up the chatbot for this entire quick reply button, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to set up this connection for buy gift pack reply button as well. So now firstly, before moving with this connection, I'm going to connect this order now quick reply button to the message box of this size, because once my customer is going to select order now quick reply button, then I want to ask about the pack size from my customer, and then I want to continue this WhatsApp chatbot with this flow only. Alright, so now you have to connecting this order now reply button, I'm going to build a WhatsApp flow for this quick reply button as well. So I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as great choice, please select a gift pack you would like to order, and these are the gift packs available. So I'm going to add quick replies button over here, where I'm going to add the buttons as, where I'm going to add the text as movie night combo celebration box and mini sampler. And once my customer is going to select any of the gift pack, automatically they should receive same message of the location. That means I want to ask about the customer's location. So now I'm going to connect all these quick replies button to this message box of location. Alright, so I'm going to build the connection, and with this we have successfully created an entire WhatsApp chatbot. So now here let's connect all back to menu quick replies button to the main message box. Alright, so I'm going to build the connection over here. And now here after connecting all the back to menu options with the main message box, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully created a flow for our gourmet popcorn business. Alright, so now after creating the flow, let's see the working of this WhatsApp chatbot by simply moving back to my WhatsApp account. So this is my WhatsApp account, and now I'm going to clear the chat over here to start it from the scratch, and then I'm going to drop the message as hey. And here you can see I've received a message as hi there, welcome to Pop and Crunch, your gourmet popcorn heaven. We offer handcrafted delicious popcorn and unique flavors for every craving. Ready to explore? How can we help you today? And here you can see we have received 3 quick replies buttons such as browse flavors, gift packs, or please order. So let's click on this browse flavors, and here you can see we have received our best selling flavors over here with the quick replies button as order now and back to menu. And here you can see it has sent a message for our best selling flavors. And now I'm going to click on this order now. And here you can see it says let's get your popcorn ready, choose the pack size. So I'm going to select a random pack size, and then it says this message can't be shown on WhatsApp web, open WhatsApp on your phone to view. Alright, so here you can see that this message cannot be shown on the WhatsApp web. So here I've attached a screenshot where you can see the message that we have received, and now here to send the location, I'm going to click on the send location. And here you can see as soon as I've sent the location, we have received a message as thank you, your order has been received, we will confirm your delivery shortly, stay crunchy. So now I'm going to click on this back to menu option, and then we are back to the main message. So let's select gift packs this time, and here we have received the option for gift packs. So I'm going to click on this buy gift pack, and then it has sent me some gift packs options. So I'm going to select a random option. And then again we are back to the main location message only. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this quick reply button. Let's click on this place order. and it is asking me to select the size, so I'm going to select a random size, and again it is asking for the location. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that we created for our popcorn business. And now here let me show you the another amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox. So I'm going to click on this inbox, and here in this inbox you can see all your WhatsApp chats, and here in the chat you can see the entire chat between your WhatsApp chatbot and the customer. Alright, so here you can see the entire chat, and here you can also see the status of the messages such as sent, delivered or read. Alright, so this is the message status, and also you can see your customer details over here in the right side panel. Alright, so let's move back to our flows. And now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have selected trigger as keywords, and then we have sent a hi message to our customer with the quick reply button as browse flavors, gift packs and place order. And then we have set up this WhatsApp chatbot for each of the quick reply button, where I've added best selling flavors for the browse flavors, best selling gift packs for this gift packs with the quick reply button as buy gift pack or back to menu. And here for the place order, I have asked the customer to select the pack size, and after that I've also added a message box to ask about the location of the customer. And after the customer sends his or her location, then automatically they are going to receive a thank you message for the order confirmation. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created. And now here, if you wish to learn about some amazing chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel. And now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you understand the entire chatbot. That's all for this video. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.